Hi, good afternoon. So today on Thoughts on
Afternoon.
Education, we have with us Dr. K. Prasad, who is the principal of Sri Vishnu College of Pharmacy. Dr. K. Prasad has have an experience of 38 years in teaching. Uh, Dr. Prasad is handling the position of principal at Sri Vishnu College of Pharmacy since January 2011. Along with this, uh, Dr. Prasad has been associated with Sri Vishnu College of Pharmacy uh, since October 2010. Hello, Mr. Prasad.
Hello. How are you?
Hi. Hi.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. So, some thoughts on education, like we have discussed with you. The first question is that you have held a key position at an institute for such a long time. So, what are the key factors that have helped you connect with the education sector for so long?
Definitely. Generally, the education should promote social mobility and academic growth in modern society. That motivated me generally to stick towards the teaching. So, where I am continuing from the beginning till today, that fashion has created me at its increase. So, now I am involved in teaching and sticking to the same profession from since a long time.
Okay, that is great to hear from you, sir. So the next question is, being the head of department of Vishnu or Sri Vishnu College of Pharmacy, how would you explain your philosophy of leadership?
So, generally, leadership is not one who dictates, but it should be an example, set high standards, and guide to achieve them by cooperation with the staff. So, my accept this the leadership style is servant type of leadership, what we follow, so that we are having collaborative activity more rather than the dictatorship of activity.
Okay, great, sir. So the next question is, being the principal of Sri Vishnu College of Pharmacy, how do you strategize about the key programs and the plans for marketing and administration of your school?
Generally, the first one what we will do is decentralization of administration in our college, the first thing what you do. And then the second one is the collaborative leadership, what we follow, disseminating and integrating the knowledge, and then providing in-house training, industry academic interactions, and encouraging and promoting of research and other activities to our students as well as the staff. That is our aim, so that which makes the college more progressive.
Okay, great. So the next question is, the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your institute and university?
So generally, the difference in education from other areas or the Western countries is the quality of education. We are also having very great education system. When compared to the quality is different from there to there. But in our Vishnu College of Pharmacy, what you do, we will instill research mindset to the student and then overall personality development through mainly the curricular activities, and then continuously the students are trained and motivated by leading pedagogy and psychology experts. We are having the Vishnu Educational Development Research Innovation Center at Hyderabad Vedic. Through that, we will train our students and staff so that the quality of education will be improved very much. That is our aim from from our college, what we are doing to come to the high standards in our system.
Okay, great. So the next question is, how does the curriculum of Sri Vishnu College of Pharmacy ensure the best practices of industry?
Sir, because we are the autonomous college. So as an autonomous college, we are having some edge over the other colleges in framing of the syllabus so that we can modify the syllabus, not complete, so such an extent we can make it industry oriented, so that from time to time we will change the syllabus as per the requirement of the present industry. That is done by the cooperation of the academy and the industry people interactions that we will conduct regularly. So modify our syllabus as per the needs of the current industries. That is the advantage what we are having as an autonomous college.
Okay, great. So the next question is: are there any points that you would like to tell the people coming to your college that they might not know as of now?
Oh, yes. Just 1 minute. So can I have it again?
Just some points that you would like people to know about your college that they might not know as of now.
So Vishnu, we are having a group of organizations which is in Bhimavaram. It is a Vishnu Meadows. So our SVCP campus is one of the part of it. So in that Bhimavaram campus is meant for clean, green, and highly disciplined and more secured campus for the students, both girls and boys. That is a famous. And then we are having the diversified opportunities for the students and development and holistic development such as music, dance centers, indoor and outdoor sports complex. We are having the yoga training center, and then we are having separate FM radio, Vishnu FM. Through that, we are inculcating the different facets of activities, not only the education, and then providing the other facilities. In addition to that, is one of the best campus as far as the security and discipline is concerned in Andhra. That is our advantage over the other colleges.
That is great, sir. So the next question is: in the coming 5 years, what do you think are the major challenges that you might face?
Okay. So what we want to give best quality higher education when compared to the advanced countries at UCP by practicing cutting-edge research activities in relevant solving the world problems, and then having the MOUs with the foreign university, which is relevant to our courses. Already we are having some of the MOUs with the American universities. So we are having the student exchange programs with the students, mainly for pharmacy courses. So this we want to build up in all the areas so that we will compete with the outside world in the case of the education for the Vishnu education.
Okay, great. Sir, the next question would be: what do you think are the greatest strengths of your institute?
Just 1 minute, sir. I did not follow your question now, actually. So what is we are having? We are having high qualified and academically bright and industrial and then experience. And then we are having the very, very good laboratories which are equipped with high quality of the equipment. And then we are having one of the best libraries in the pharmacy. And then this we are these people were having the best support, so that we are making this one of the best campuses for providing the facilities wise, as well as the strength of teaching, as well as strength of research. That is our strength in the college.
Great, sir. So the last question for this interview would be: if there's any advice you would like to give to the youth and the aspiring students coming to your college.
Sir, those who are having, just repeat this.
So if you would like to give any advice to the aspiring students.
So many suggestions are not only for our students. As a teacher, I will give a suggestion to all the students. First one, have a vision with big goals, and then try to work to attain those goals with self-discipline. Then only you will become success. Wherever the institution is there, unless you are having the set up the goals and then vision, you cannot be successful. That is the reason. Once put the goal and try to achieve those goals by self-discipline. That is the advice I will give to the students.
That is great. Thank you so much, Dr. Prasad, for taking out time for this interview on thoughts and education. I'm sure a lot of students visiting the website and would be looking forward and get to know a lot about Sri Vishnu College of Pharmacy. Thank you so much, sir.
So thank you. Thanks.